Hi everyone, it's me, Moony Mage. I'm here today with prompt number 3, and that would be funny stories. I don't have too many since I'm a fairly new doll owner. The couple that I have, if you're not a fan of or a member of Den of Angels, I've posted a couple in there that haven't really happened to me. It's more my experiences of being with my sister and her dolls. When she was waiting for Yue to come in, the both of us were just kind of sitting there in her room. I'm sure you've seen, like, she's got a window next to her bed, and it was kind of where she filmed that stocking portion of her box opening for Yue. And I remember she had gone to check something on the computer, and she didn't really ask me to, but I was like, I'm gonna take a look out the window in case a truck comes by, And sure enough, as she's sitting down, the UPS truck kind of pulls around our cul-de-sac, and I go, oh my gosh, we've got a live one! And she runs off of her computer chair, jumps onto the bed with a camera, and starts recording right away so that she can get the UPS. But it was just so funny how we kind of worked together there. It was really, really funny. Probably more you had to be there moment. Another funny story I have, my second funny story would probably be, I was doing dishes in the kitchen, and my sister was waiting, watching TV in the living room, and I told her, so, I think I finally got a name for my doll. I think I'm gonna call her Hatsuko. And my sister's like, oh, well, that's really pretty, I go, yeah, I think it kind of fits, especially because it means first child in Japanese. It's a traditional kind of name that they name their first child, Hatsuko. My sister kind of gives this, like, rolling of the eyes, is like, oh my gosh, kind of like, that's so lame. And I'm like, are you serious? That's so corny. And I was like, well, hello, Miss Ocean themed names. I kind of poked back at her, and my mom's sitting there going, what? I go, yeah, her dolls? Yeah, Kai means ocean in one language, Yue means moon in another language, and haha, the moon pulls the ocean, whatever. And then, of course, Kai's little sister means, her name means sea in another language, so the brother and sister both have ocean names. And my mom just kind of looks at us like, that's just weird. So, I thought that was kind of funny. That recently happened to me. It was kind of sad more than funny, but I laugh at it. My mom recently got back from a trip the other day, and she knew my doll had come in, and she'd seen the doll in the outfit, but I hadn't done the face up yet. So when she came back, I was like, Mom, guess what? I put a face up on Hatsu. And she's like, really? Let me see. And so I was like, okay. So I go and I bring Hatsu and I go, look, isn't she pretty? I did her first face hug. My mom was like, why did you paint her ugly? I almost cried. I was like, she doesn't look ugly. I'm like, really? And she goes, you put too much black on her eye. It makes her look ugly. I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? Okay. I mean, I wasn't expecting her face up to be, like, perfect the first time, but I didn't think I painted her ugly. I just thought it funny that my mom was so blunt, but I was like, okay, she's not ugly, she's cute. She's just cute. Cute, not ugly. So yeah, those are about the only stories I have. I know I'm probably going to accumulate more as I get more into the hobby, but that's what I got for right now. Until next time, I'll probably do another prompt later. Bye.